Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this beautiful, tall, romantic, timeless, elegant wedding centerpiece. I wish you were here in person to see it. It looks absolutely amazing. Please stay tuned and watch how I assemble this beautiful masterpiece. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to share it with a friend. And don't forget to comment below your thoughts. I would truly appreciate it. You guys are truly amazing. You guys are truly awesome. If you would like to learn and get more creative ideas, don't forget to join my Elegant Creators group on Facebook. Also, please support this channel by becoming a patron. The link will be in the description box below. This is a wooden circle plaque, okay? The diameter is 8 inches, okay? You want to make sure that you measure it so that you place your wooden dowel rod correctly in the center. You want to make sure that it's in the center of the plaque. So any rulers that you have that will help you to measure it, I have this right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my power drill so that I can go ahead and put a hole through where you see that I measured the center. Okay, so you use any regular common nail. Now, if you're inexperienced, you do not know how to use this, I thought of different options. You can go ahead and make sure that your wooden dowel sticks. So you can either use a wooden glue, or you can use a super Gorilla Glue. Either one of those glues can get the job done. However, today I decided to be hella complicated, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my power drill. I'm gonna go ahead and drill my wooden dowel onto the circle plaque.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.
As you can see, I went ahead and I put the nail through the wooden plaque. I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole into the dowel first, just a small hole. As you can see, I punctured a small hole through the wooden dowel. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Okay, so you see my small hole right here, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and drill it through. If you're not used to using power drills or used to building things together, you're definitely going to need someone to help you, to assist you in drilling the wooden rod into the plaque. So at this point, I'm using my husband right now to hold the rod for me as I'm drilling it into the plaque.
Say it like that. If I hate you, then
Okay, so as you can see, with a little bit of assistance, you can get it done. This wooden plaque circle is like 10 inches in diameter. You can choose to use this. Use your wooden glue to glue it onto there, onto the center of this. You can do that as well. This is an option. It's not recommended, but if you want it to be more secure or you don't want it to fall, or whatever the case may be, you can choose to do that option as well. Okay, this is just an option.
someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No.
This is going to be the top part of my centerpiece. So I'm going to go ahead and take this wooden plaque, place it in the middle here. That's when I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the top. Okay, you're going to place one on top, and then you're going to place one in the bottom. Okay, you're going to take your nail, and then you're going to drill your hole through that with the power drill. Okay, you're going to drill it to the top of your centerpiece, like that.
So I choke you down just like a pill.
this is called a chicken wire. So it's like an oval shape. That's what it's called. It's called a chicken wire because it has these little mesh things right here. Once I'm done drilling the circular plaques onto the chicken wire, this is how it's going to look like I was telling you guys. So you want to make sure that you align it correctly. Aligning is key onto doing this correctly. And by all means, like if you're not too good at that, I did give you the option of using wooden glue. That would also get the job done. Okay, you guys? So that is no problem at all. You could still get this done just with using wooden glue if you do not want to use a power drill to put this together, because you will need an extra hand if you're going to be using a power drill. Once I'm done spray painting the whole thing, I'm going to come back so you can see the finishing results. And I am crossing my fingers that the spray paint looks really nice because I've never really tried this spray paint before. So let's hope this gold, it's a gold spray paint. It's called pure gold. So let's hope that it comes out looking really nice, okay? My centerpiece, or my wooden dowel, is painted in pure gold, and I love the turnaround. It looks amazing, okay? So this is 3 feet tall, as you can see. So I did do one little arrangement to it. I know in the beginning I said that you can use a plaque underneath it. So all I did is I used my 10-inch diameter plaque and then I glued it underneath the 8-inch. Okay, that is all I did. I used one of my glue, my super glue, and I just glued it right underneath just so that it can be more stable, more balanced, and for when I put my huge flower arrangement on top, so nothing is tipping over or falling over. So that is all that I did. So now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to do the flower arrangement. This centerpiece is 3 feet tall. It's super tall, it's huge, it looks amazing, and I'm so happy of the turnaround.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. down